How's it going, y'all? We're yet again at the river, and we've gotten rain for like the past 2 or 3 days, so I thought the water would be just a little bit muddier than it is. So my tackle is, well, made for muddy water. I do have a couple things that work for this clear water, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and get something tied on here, and yeah, I guess we'll just get started. So yeah, I was literally just down here yesterday, and the water was nowhere near this clear. But anyway, I just opted for this little antique looking spinnerbait. Hopefully that'll do us a little bit of good anyway. Yes, let's just go ahead and pick out a spot and get started. Honestly, it's probably just going to be right, right where this opens up. Yes, they're out there. And I've been noticing, I guess where it's getting colder out, the bass are not really hanging around this, like the banks and whatnot, where it's more out in the open. So I'm really not going to be targeting structure, at least not right here at the beginning. Maybe a little bit, but really just making random casts to try and find them. So I'm pretty much just going to throw this around and hope that I can get a bite. If not, I'll end up changing lures. Maybe the water is a little bit darker out there in the middle. I don't think so, but yeah, I'll let you guys know whenever something happens. All right, next lure is a shaky head with a blue blue flake, curly tail. Wow, English, wow, English is hard. I guess let's just get this casted out. Of course, we get snagged. This is going to be near as loud as a gunshot. Hey, I think that's all the bass fishing for over here. Yeah, I'll catch you guys at the next spot. Also, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Do you have any idea why my reel is making that noise? both the clicking and the, I don't know, whatever the noise is. Alright, new spot, new lure, and it's this rooster tail here. Actually never seen that pattern before, so hopefully it'll work for us. And I feel like, I can't film a video, a bass fishing video to be specific, without throwing a rooster tail, and pretty much every time I do, I catch fish on it. Probably just jinxed me right there, but I caught a big one. Biggest one of the day. Maybe don't even fit on camera. I really hope you guys do not fall. Wasn't I so excited when I caught this little guy? Hey, at least we got one. No, I honestly didn't even know I had one on. Open your mouth. He is a big chunky little guy. Go ahead and set that down. Put the stick out of the way. Yeah, he's a little squeaker. Chunky. Alright, let's go ahead and get a release on this guy, why not? There he goes. Hopefully back to his friends that we're about to get. And see, well, I tell you, the freaking rooster tail always gets it done. I don't know where he came from. If he came from that tree or he was just over there somewhere. Ah, I had one. Come on. Like 2 feet away from me. Alright guys, here we are at the final spot of the day. Maybe I might head down there. I might head down there in a little bit. Me and talking today, I mean, I don't know what's happening with that, but yeah. I'm probably not going to switch up lures here for the remaining time, but honestly, I think we have a pretty good chance of this rooster tail anyway. Alright. Usually go one of these little openings. You guys didn't see around where I am. My lure's in a tree. Anyway, Just this little trail next to some woods right along the river that has about a 1.5 2 foot drop off. Anyway, I'm just gonna fish right here, I think. Oh, I probably scared everything off. Trying to get the lure out of that. There's a log in the water over there, but I don't know if I can get this over there. Well, I got it over there, just not to the log. While we fish this last spot, go ahead and do the verse of the day. Now, I didn't really prepare one, and I have to use my personal phone to record because the phone I used to record just decided not to work. But I believe the verse is Jeremiah 1:3. And God is calling Jeremiah here, and he says, Jeremiah, before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. And that basically means what it says. Before God formed you in your mother's womb, before you were born, God already knew you. God already had a relationship with you. I don't know, it's pretty cool to me. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. Alright guys, so I just made it to the new spot and I realized that I forgot my sunglasses. So, geez. Hang it up there. Anyway, realized I forgot my sunglasses, so I'm just going to fish my way back to them. And that's probably it. I might fish on the way back. Although if it's all grass, maybe not. Alright, keep going. I'm just basically going to stop. Alright, okay, there's that structure. This structure right here, that structure. I'm just going to stop it all in. And hope you guys don't fall. Hey, that was more in the middle of both of them than it was directed that one. We'll make one more right here. That was better. Alright, next spot. All right, I'm gonna run in there and get them. It's pretty dense on this side, so you really can't do much fishing. So I'm gonna go get them and I'll be right back. All right, mission accomplished. Gonna fish this back down and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Although I did just realize I threw it like right where snag is. Okay. Luckily, I didn't get it. Wow. I did, however, get this one. And of course, a fish jumps like 2 feet away from me. Just come off. Nobody's impressed with your behavior. Just come on. Alright, guys, so that's going to be all for this video. Yeah, seriously, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to see more one catches. No, be sure to hit the subscribe button to see more videos of one catch and about 4 or 5 lure losses. That's how we roll around here. Anyway, see you next time.